In this video, I'm reviewing a 2024 financial checklist for the first quarter. Today's vlog is being brought to you by 401k Maneuver. 401k Maneuver provides online professional account management with the goal of supercharging your 401k account performance. So stop leaving money on the table each and every year in the form of lost returns. That's real money for your future, you guys. Let us help you. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and the links to everything that we mentioned in this video you can find in the description box below. Let's jump right in. Many of us start the new year resolving to do better financially, and based on reports from 2022, it's easy to see why. A 2023 Bankrate survey found the following: Americans are more than 2 times more likely to feel financially insecure than secure, and slightly more than 1 in 4 Americans say that they're completely financially secure, and that compares with the majority who say that they're not. More than 3 in 5 financially insecure Americans, or 63%, say high inflation is keeping them from being financially comfortable or secure, along with 48% who blame the economic environment more broadly and 36% who pointed to rising interest rates. About 2 in 5 each blamed insufficient retirement funds and emergency funds as factors keeping them from feeling financially secure. And it's safe to say a lot of us want to improve our finances, but here's the deal. You can't just make a resolution and expect it to happen. You have to plan and take steps to see your resolution through. And when it comes to personal finances, it's critical to look at all of the aspects of your finances as opposed to focusing on one area over another. And to help you achieve your financial goals this year, check out our 2024 financial checklist for the first quarter. Working your way through this list at the start of the new year will make it easier for you to achieve your financial resolutions. Number 1, know where you stand. The first item on the 2024 financial checklist is to know where you stand. Take a good look, an honest look at your financial situation, and review your debts and your assets, where you are from and where you want to be. Looking at this gap may be uncomfortable, but it's critical if you want to move forward, because you can't make plans to improve your finances without knowing how much money you have or how much you need to save. Number 2, set clear goals. Once you have a clear understanding of where you stand, it's time to set attainable financial goals. Start by considering debt and savings. How much debt do you really need to pay off? Are you hoping to save money for a big purchase? What steps are you taking to reach your retirement goals? Identify how much money you need to achieve each goal, and then divide this by the target number of months in the year. Is it financially possible to reach these goals within the year? Ask yourself. If not, set a goal that is reachable this year. Number 3, commit to paying yourself first. Committing to paying yourself first is critical for achieving financial freedom. Prioritizing saving and investing actively builds a foundation of financial security and a retirement lifestyle of your dreams, and establishes a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. Every time you get paid, before you pay a bill, pay into your savings and retirement accounts first. Set up your 401k and IRA to automatically take savings out of your paycheck. Make sure this money is deposited before you pay anything else. And paying yourself first isn't just about saving money, it's about recognizing your value, building financial security, and creating a better future. Check out the description box below for the title, Build Wealth with and Pay Yourself First Budget. Number 4, replenish your emergency fund. Now is the time to prepare for emergencies in 2024. Do you have an emergency fund? If not, it's time to start building one. If you have an emergency fund, has it dwindled? If so, commit to replenishing it as soon as possible. And here's a quick pro tip. If you received a holiday bonus or plan on getting a tax refund this year, use that to build your emergency fund. Number 5, pay down debt. One of the main things on the 2024 financial checklist is to make sure you pay down debts. You won't feel as if you've made financial improvements at the end of 2024 if you're saddled with debt. So take steps right now to pay down your debt. Get a plan in place and work the plan. Check in at the end of each month or each quarter to assess your goals. And check out the description box below for a complimentary read, pay off debt, or contribute to a 401k. Number 6, increase 401k contributions. How much are you currently contributing to your 401k? Is 2024 the year when you can contribute an additional 1, 2, or even 5%? Try to do whatever is possible to increase your contributions, especially contribute enough to make the company match. Number 7, plan for taxes right now. There's no better time to get your taxes together than the start of the new year. As you prepare for tax season, start thinking about what you plan to do with your IRS refund, should you receive one. Would it be wise to invest your refund in your 401k, use it to pay down debt, or boost your savings? Number 8, rebalance your 401k. Another item on the 2024 financial checklist is to rebalance your 401k. Rebalancing your 401k simply means allocating assets differently. For example, your 50-50 stock and bond portfolio may need to shift to 72% stocks and 28% bonds to decrease your risk and increase your returns. This to-do list step doesn't require you to save or spend money, but it can make a big difference for your retirement account. Number 9, check your subscriptions and policies. A quick way to feel is if you're already improving your finances to check over your current subscriptions and policies. Too often, we sign up for monthly subscription services and then we forget about them. Go through your accounts and see which reoccurring charges you have and which subscriptions that you need to cancel. It's a quick way to save money. Also, review your policies and see if you can get a better price. For example, has your health improved? It may be possible for you to get lower rates on life insurance. Number 10, download helpful financial apps and tools. This is an easy one to check off for 2024 financial checklist for the first quarter. Download financial apps to help you meet your financial goals for this year. For example, there's budgeting apps such as Mint or websites that make it easy for beginning investors. Number 11, work on your credit. The average auto loan rate has reached a 40-year high. Credit card interest rates have soared, and if you want a chance of getting lower rates or being able to borrow at all, then you need to get your credit in check. Request a copy of your credit report and make sure all information is correct. Make every effort to pay down debt, pay bills on time, and not max out credit cards. Number 12, get financial help. It will be well worth your time to get third-party advice, especially when it comes to something as important as your financial future. David Blanchett, former head of retirement at Morningstar, reported that participants that received expert guidance had as much as 40% more income during retirement versus those who received no help at all. So try our 401k calculator to see how professionally managed help may impact your 401k balance in retirement. 401k Maneuver provides professional account management with the goal to help you grow and protect your 401k. Our goal is to increase your account performance over time, manage downside risk to minimize losses, and reduce fees that harm your account performance. There's no need for time-consuming in-person meetings and nothing new to learn. You don't have to move your account. Simply connect your account to our secure platform, and we will regularly review and rebalance your account for you. Check the description box below to learn more about how it works. And if you have any questions about your 401k or if you need help, we're here for you. Click below to book a complimentary 15-minute strategy session with one of our advisors today.